Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're passionate about cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, and want the latest updates, you're at the right place. Make sure to follow and subscribe for regular updates and insights. Let's dive into this month's Bitcoin trends and projections. First, let me draw some trend lines for you. Let's go back to 1 month chart to draw the lines more accurately. As you can see, the very first trend line that Bitcoin created when it was around $3,000 is a trend line with not much of a steep, which is definitely more reliable than the steepy ones, like the ones that it created recently. See, this is the new trend line that it created after the pullback from 70,000 to 15,000. Could be a solid support line on the trend line. As you can see, the moving average is sitting on the trend line right now exactly, and it's around $35,000. But let's go back to, well, yeah, we can definitely define a channel by creating a clone of that trend line, which, as you can see. But let's go back to 6-month chart, which is the biggest time frame and chart that just the candle closed a couple of days ago on June 30th. So the resistance level on the 6-month chart used to be at $46,000. And as you know, 6-month chart supersedes, as far as reliability, supersedes any smaller time frame. And it's very important. So we closed the previous candle above $46,000, and that could definitely be very bullish. But for the new buyers to come in and join the new traders, they don't buy the green. They wait for the red to show up for them to buy at a fair price. And from what I see, $46,000 is a fair price for the new traders to jump in. Okay. But that's on the 6-month chart. They're looking for a pullback. The pullback is around $46,000 to $48,000 for the people who are doing the 6-month. But going back to 3-month chart, as you can see, there was a resistance at $58,000 on the 3-month chart, which is a smaller time frame and not as much reliable as 6-month chart, obviously. As you can see, the previous candle closed red. But it still closed above 58,000 mark and bounced off of it. And now, if it creates a double bottom here because it touched it once and still closed above it, and now it's closed, it's still there. If it touches it, which already kind of did, and bounce, we could definitely see new highs around $100,000, $90,000 to $100,000. But if it doesn't hold $58,000, guys, I'm telling you, this is going to 46,000. So the pivot points here are 58,000 and then $46,000. Let me delete these drawings first. I want to show you something else. Okay, so as you can see, this line has been holding. And obviously, if it doesn't hold, 46,000 is the next spot that the new traders are gonna come. But remember, smart traders are always looking to buy at the bare minimum. Okay, the bare minimum here is at where the price mark meets the support of the trend line, which is at $35,000. So again, if we hold 58,000, we're going up. If not, 46, and if it doesn't hold 46, $35,000 to me looks like a very solid support line. Okay. So just have that in mind. And remember, please follow and subscribe for more updates. And if you have a ticker in mind that you want analyzed, just send me your ticker, whether it's a stock or crypto, with the time frame you want it analyzed, and I'll do the job for you. Thank you so much for tuning in.